Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of KPS Trades. Welcome to KPS Trades channel. Today, we are going to discuss with you few charts, which trades we are going to do it next week or maybe for next 7 days to 1 month. These trades are already on a verge of a breakout, or few have already given a breakout. So we'll be looking to enter these trades at our levels. So this is first time we are giving trades on the YouTube channel through a video, and we hope that these trades you like these charts, and we'll give you the update, and you follow us for going forward for the similar kinds of stocks and trades. So if you're first time onto our YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel button and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the future videos, so that there will be all informative videos which we are starting, and going forward we'll keep sharing, so you will get everything, all our strategies and other things. So we'll move on to that. So before we move on to that, we again want to reiterate KPS trades is where we look for swing trades options. Our slogan says passion, patience and profit. It's based on a price and momentum based technical analysis we do. So our vision is somewhere around 5 days to a month and a half. So we look for a stock which gives us 5 to 10% returns in this specific time. We do not do any intraday trades based on these charts. We only recommend for a swing trading. And if somebody like to take positions on these trades, please consult with your financial advisor before you are entering any of these trades. These are just charts shares for an education purpose. So let's move forward and look into our charts. So we'll move forward. We'll start, as you all know, pharma sector is pretty becoming bullish. So we are looking forward couple of pharma stocks which can really give us a good move. This stock is Alembic Pharma. If you can see that, before we move on to the charts, this is a daily chart. If you can see in a daily chart swing from 10th of November, and then we got a low which is clicked on 21st December when Nifty gave a big fall. Since then, 2 consecutive days it has given. It's just on a verge of breakout for this middle range of channel. So we see that this red candle, if we get entry into our range, it's ready. Maybe it can come and touch the channel again and ready for a move. So this can be a very good trade. Our buying range is somewhere around 1028 to 1064, where we are looking for a target of 1126 to 1165. Somewhere around 5 to 7% move, which we are looking forward for. This stock is in bullish trend. If you go back and see it has started bullish trend at 22nd of September around 917, and since then it never turned back. So on a security side, we have taken as the stop loss as the low of below the wick of the fall of 21st December, because if there is a sudden fall due to index correction or any pressure due to year end, then we still get saved. Our position doesn't get auto square off. So this is one of the good stocks to look forward for it. Let's keep under watch. Another pharma stock which we have, Unichem. This is one of our favorite stocks. Uh, it doesn't give wild moves normally, but if you can see, last twice it has given a very wide move, especially on 21st December and 8th December. You can see from the lower end there is a big players buying this stock at the lower end, and stock is not able to sustain, and it immediately moves up. The resistance is around 250, 260, although it came up of that, but it didn't close above that. The close is not above there, above 252. So it's still in our buying range. We will be looking for buying this on Monday morning, and first hurdle is around 266, but we are aiming a target of 280, 290 in this stock. And if you want to see on a bigger chart, bigger time frame, this stock has really made on a bigger time frame. This stock has made a flat pattern on a weekly, which can become for uh, which will be the verge of a breakout at any time. That chart is also shared on our Facebook handle. and Twitter handle. So those charts will always able to guide you more. That eventually this stock is in another 6 months time is there for a very big move. But right now we are looking for a swing trade, which is around 5 to 10%. So this stock is ready for us to give a move. Now, before we move on to another major player, let's go on to a stock, a Quest Corp stock. If you can see this channel since 14th July when it touched low of 314, right? It was facing resistance around 460, and then it convincingly break that resistance and now retesting it, and it has given us a breakout closing above that again. So we can see if we get entry among us this channel around 460, 440 in this range, this is ready for another move at least till the previous high of 550, or we are looking forward for 550 plus targets. So another 5 to 7% move stock which is expected, and if it's sustain above 550, then the targets are too big for this stock as well. But as we are looking for a swing trade, so our expectations are only in that. Now move on to financial stocks. As we know, Bank Nifty is really booming. So we are looking forward that Bank Nifty move will continue. We start with a smaller pair. You can see Chola Finance on a daily chart. It's on a verge of a breakout for a flag pattern. This flag pattern is started from 29th October, where its price was around 236, 240. The resistance is around 394. And if the flag pattern breakout comes and we get closing above this level, which is around 384, then this is ready for a big move. As per a flag pattern move, at least 100 points. But as we said, our objective is only 5 to 10%. So 30, 40 points on the stock, and we move out and book our profits. Booking profit is always advisable, as Nifty is already running at all-time high. So keep booking your profits. Another stock we have, ICICI Bank. It's a major player. This, if this moves up, Bank Nifty will really gonna shoot up. See, this can face a little resistance over here, mid-range of channel, and can bounce back to give us an entry in our range. Will be not be chasing the price. If we get entry in our range, we will buy, otherwise we'll ignore the stock, as stock is very bullish. If it moves above this channel, then the target will achieve maybe in the same day or the next day. As the stock is very bullish, but we still feel because it's major index stock, so it can give us a entry on a channel side. Another major index stocks we have is Axis Bank. Now if you can see, it has double confluence where it's taking support at channel. That day also on 21st December when index crashed, it took support and channel, and then 3 days simultaneously it's green. And then there is a flag also above. Although our first target is close to flag, but if it gives a closing above flag, then next target will be pretty big. The flag handle starts from 30th October at around 492, and we are talking about here at 640. So it's around 140, 150 points is the pole of the flag. So if we get breakout, you can expect a big move in next coming 5 to 6 months in this stock. And if it consolidate in the range, it will be buy at the lower level around 580, 595, and selling at the higher levels around 640 to 680. So that's what we'll be looking forward for to trade, where it gives us around 5 to 10% returns. So these are the stocks which we're looking forward. Now we have another player, which is a auto major player, Maruti. Auto index is showing some good signs. We have traded Hero and Eicher last week, but unfortunately due to a 21st December sudden sharp downfall in the index, we exited our position, although the stop loss was not hit on a closing basis, but just to be protect our capital, we didn't take a risk. So the Maruti can be a big player. The range is although big because the movement we have after that on 22nd, 23rd was big, but we know that this is shown as a red candle, so it's already in our channel, already in our range. So this can give us a good entry where is above of the range or a middle in the range or at the lower end of the range, but it's ready for a move. And if it closes above 7,800, then we can expect 8,100 odd levels in this stock. So this stock is also looking bullish, and we can see that the support is strong, and if it's taking this support and bouncing, this will help Nifty also to. So these are the 7 stocks. If you can see, we diversify ourselves. We do not only invest in one sector. The strategy we have taken as a bank Nifty, auto, pharma, right? We diversify ourselves so to reduce our risk. That's what the strategy which we follow. Now, before we move on and wind up, I will like to share with you the Nifty chart. So this is the Nifty chart, which is just breakdown out of the channel. So we'll see if it move up or then it goes down. So if you see on the resistance side, we have around 1380, 13,816, 13,772. So if it moves opens about 13,772, then 13,816 is what we were looking for. And on the support size, we have 13,691 and 13,642 will be the immediate support. And if we get sudden crash or something, then 13,562 is what it's here. But majority, depending upon the opening, after opening 5 minutes, I always share the Nifty index chart on my Telegram channel so that we lower down to 1 or 2 support and resistance. So as of now, we can see 13,816 and 13,771, 772 will be the resistance, and 13,691 and 13,642 will be the support. We'll be sharing this chart in the morning in Telegram. So these are for the updates. We have given 7 stocks first time in advance on a YouTube channel. We've shared on our Twitter, on our Telegram, as well as on our Facebook channel. And index levels also we have shared in advance. So let's see how this goes. We are pretty bullish that market is whether on a sideways in the bullish. On the lower side, we have a lot of protections. We are not seeing much fall unless there is a bigger, some news based, some event happen. Uh, Sectors are bullish, so they should support index, and index is going forward. If it can break our previous highs, or if can give me closing above 13,772, then it's ready for further move. So we are just waiting for that one close above that level, but it's not coming yet. So we are hopeful and positive that in coming days we'll able to see. Before we wind up on that, it's a festival season. I would like to wish Happy New Year to all the viewers, all our YouTube channels, Telegram channel, and all our Twitter followers. Right? If again repeating, if you are first time on our YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Also, there is a link below for our Twitter handle and Telegram channel. Please do join our Telegram channel. We regularly update, so all these charts, the second or third update will be on regularly only on the Telegram or a Twitter handle. What happened, whether we got entry, we didn't got entry, or it moved, it didn't move. So all the updates are regularly updated on our Telegram channel. These are the trades which we take personally for ourselves and our clients. So if you're going to trade on any of our charts, please, before trading, consult your financial advisors or do your due diligence. Our motive is to guide you, to make you learn, right? Learn and earn is something which we believe in, and that's the way forward. So thank you very much. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you with future videos and more updates on that. Thank you. Thank you very much.